Hey guys, welcome back Karibuni Tena to Exotic Cooking. Today we are making masala fries. Fries is something that I've grown up on. My mom used to make fries for me 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah, thank you mom. So today we are making masala fries, and there's different versions of this. Taking homemade fries and mixing or coating them in a mixture made out of ketchup, salt, some chili powder and some lemon juice. You stir fry it or you saute it in a wok to create that really moist and tasty and tangy flavor. So let's see how these turn out. They smell delicious. I'm gonna take a bite. This is so delicious. It has a little bit of kick from the chili powder. I like it spicy. It has that lemon juice. I can feel the lemon juice. Ketchup and fries, you can never go wrong, guys. And I think if I was ever stuck in an island, fries would be the only food that I would pick. I do like that cilantro, but there's a lot of people who don't like cilantro. They prefer parsley better. So you know, whatever you prefer to garnish it with, it does actually bring out the flavor. You can serve this with chicken or steak. Just spice it up a bit, you know. So I really hope that you like my recipes, and you know, take this a level up, and actually let me know in the comments below what you do so I can learn from you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and hit that bell button for notifications, and I will see you in my next video.